Hey everybody, welcome back to My Wings of Refuge. Hey High Lips, how are you today? You're having a good day today. The sun is shining and we're so excited about it. We've had so much rain and it's time to clean out my chicken coop, isn't it? But we keep getting so much rain and it's really cold. It's been crazy. So, with a little bit more daylight, we've been getting a lot more eggs, haven't we, Hot Lips? A lot more eggs. In fact, this week we've been getting like 10 to 12 eggs a day out of 17 hens. Isn't that right? Yeah, you've been doing so good. Hey, Panda. So, one day this week, we came out to check and there was 0 eggs. 0. So I knew something was wrong. Ain't that right? But luckily, we have a handy dandy camera in the chicken coop. All day I was cleaning and working around the house, and I would look outside and I'd see all you girls playing, and I would see the livestock guardians, Gideon and Purah, out there being just fine. They're always so good with you. But then I checked out the camera and here's what I saw. So I have a remedy. All I have to do is close this door. This door is where Purah was going in, and now They just go in this door and through the little tiny guillotine and get in and Purah can't get in. Problem is solved. No more eating my eggs. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? You can lay in peace. So you guys have a great week. Have no lambs this week. It was a false alarm, but they are coming very, very soon. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss lambing season. Ain't that right, Hot Lips? Say bye, everybody. Say bye. Have a good week. See you next time. Right here on My Wings of Refuge.